And welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious mouth-watering smoky patty jollof rice. So to see how I make this, please keep on watching. You're welcome back to Benny's kitchen. So this is what I'll be using for the stew base, which is habanero or chili or atarodo or scotch bonnet pepper, whichever one, red capsicum, tomatoes and onions. So I'll blend this up and steam it down to reduce the water in it. Here I have the turkey, which I'll be using the stock to cook this rice. So the ingredients are the curry, thyme, rosemary, salt and some seasoning cubes. The ingredients used in this video will be listed below. So I'm going to season this meat very well. So I'm adding the seasoning and adding the chopped onions, garlic and ginger. So please, we have to season this meat very well because we're going to use the stock to cook the rice. Yeah. So now I'll have to properly combine, like mix everything for all the ingredients to go around it, and after which I'm going to add some water and allow to cook because we need the stock of this turkey. So yeah, I'm just going to add enough water and allow to cook. So now the turkey have been cooking for like an hour now. And I'll be taking it out into a sieve and allow to drain before frying. And please do not discard your stock. We are going to use this stock to cook the rice. So in my frying pan, I'm going to be adding some cooking oil, but you can use any cooking oil of your choice. The oil is hot enough, so we are going to be frying this turkey now, and we'll fry this till it's golden brown. So as you can see, the turkey is well fried now. So I'll be taking it out and I'll be putting it in a sieve. And I'll repeat the same process with the other turkey. So here we have some capsicum, green and red, habanero and onions. I'll be using this to sauce the turkey. You're not going to leave the turkey that way, so I'm going to sauce the turkey. So I'll blend this up. I'll roughly blend this and we'll use it. Yeah, so in the pot I'll be adding some of the turkey oil, the oil which I used to fry the turkey, and I'll be adding the peppered mix, and I'm going to we'll fry this for like a minute. Then I'll add the seasoning I'll use to sauce the sauce. Yeah, I'll use to sauce the sauce. So here I have some salt, white pepper, rosemary, thyme, curry and some seasoning cubes. So I'll be adding that in now. So this sauce have been frying for some time now, for a while now. So I'm going to add the fried turkey into this sauce and I'll combine properly for everything to mix. The turkey will have to get to know the sauce and the sauce will have to get to know the turkey. Like, it's a mutual relationship. They have to get to know each other in this process. Yeah, if you know what I mean. So I'll give this a stir and I'll combine properly. Here I have some sliced green capsicum, spring onions and onions. So I'll be adding that to the pepper turkey. This is optional though, but I just felt like adding it into this turkey. So I'll just combine properly, and actually the heat is off. It's just the heat, residual heat from the turkey I'll be using to cook that. So I'm going to add some of the remaining oil from the turkey which we fried earlier on, and I'll heat it up. Then I'll be adding some onions. This is like 2 big size of onions which I sliced. So I'm going to be frying this for like a minute, and please, you have to keep on stirring because we are cooking on high heat. This is outdoor cooking, actually not outside properly because it's raining, so I'm just in here. So now I'll be adding in the tomato paste, and we're going to fry this till it's no longer tangy. So everything used in this video, all the ingredients used in this video will be listed in the description box below, so do not hesitate to go down there to check for the ingredients I used in this video. So our tomato paste is well fried now, as you can see. Yeah, so please do not forget, you have to keep on stirring this to avoid it from getting burnt. So I'll be adding our boiled down tomato mix which I showed you earlier on. I've blended it and I boiled it down to reduce the water in it. So I'll be adding that now, and I'll give it a good mix, and I'll keep on frying for the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or till when it's well cooked. Remember, I boiled it down, so it's not going to take time. So I'll still keep on stirring this. Yeah, and our stew base is ready now. So you can actually fry this in the pot you'll be using to cook the rice, but I just fried mine in the frying pan. So I'll be transferring this stew into the pot which I'll be using to cook the rice, after which I'm going to be adding the turkey stock. Remember the turkey stock, the stock we got from the turkey earlier on. So yeah, I'll be adding that in now, and I'll be adding some seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, rosemary, pepper, and some chicken seasoning. Chicken stock actually, not chicken seasoning, sorry. Now I'll be adding some crushed garlic and minced ginger. And also, like this video, share with friends, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. It doesn't cost you anything, just click and that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'm going to mix everything properly. In goes the washed rice. Actually, this rice, I washed it. You wash it till the water runs clear. So I'm using Golden Seller basmati rice for this recipe. Actually, that's what I use here. So I'm just going to combine properly, give it a good mix for everything to combine well. And yeah, I'm going to combine this before I add water to it, so I will know the quantity of water I'm going to add. So after mixing your rice this way, then I know I'm still going to add some water, so I will just add a little water just to be at the same level of this rice. And please do not cook this on a very high heat. No, you don't need that. Your rice needs to just steam, like you just use a low heat and allow to cook. So as you can see, our jollof rice is ready. Hey, jollof is ready. Bring your plate to party jollof for that matter. See, Nigerian parties with jollof rice is like 5 and 6. It's like bread and butter. There is no rival. Like when you go to a Nigerian party, typical Nigerian party, definitely you will see jollof rice. If you don't see jollof rice, I beg. Did you go to party? You will even be like, what did I come here to do when there's no party jollof? So at this point, I'll be adding some sliced onions and some margarine to this food. So the light is actually off, it's turned off already. So I'm just going to use the residual heat to melt the butter and cook the onions. Yeah, so I'll just give this a thorough mix. And hey, jollof is ready. Jollof is ready. Don't mind me. Hey, yes. You know that song when you sing when food is ready? Yes, that's what I'm doing now. Food is ready. Oh. See, as you're bringing your plate to take your own portion of jollof rice, please do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See how popping it looks. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video and please stay safe. Bye.